ahead and get the sausage browned. And we're going to turn our element on just between low and medium, a little towards medium. And we will coat the bottom of our cast iron skillet with olive oil. Now, cast iron isn't necessary for this dip. Whatever kind of skillet you have is fine, but I'm actually going to serve the dip out of this skillet, and I think the cast iron will do a great job of keeping it warm and just giving it a nice rustic look. So we'll take it, we'll tilt it just to make sure the bottom of the pan is evenly coated. That looks good. You don't need a lot of oil because the sausage is not going to stick because it has so much of its own natural fat. Now for this dip, we use a little more of the country sausage, which has some of the sage and the flavors that will complement this dip nicely. We do have a little bit of the Italian sausage in there, which is hot, just to give it kind of another layer of flavor, which is the heat. So we'll break this up. We'll continue to break it up as it cooks, and we will just brown this. You want to make sure it's small pieces, and it is brown all over. It's looking good. So now we will move on to start chopping up some of the ingredients that we're going to put into the pan with the sausage.